hello everyone. So we'll start in few minutes. Let's wait for a few more people to join. So what we are going to do today is, we had a live session on our YouTube, but due to some glitch we are conducting it on Instagram. So आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं chocolate mendiants in 3 ways. So I'll be showing you how to make chocolate mendiants in 3 ways with different variations. We are going to do multiple variations. We are going to use multiple toppings. So हम लोग आज mendiants करेंगे. मैं आपको 3 ways में दिखाऊंगी कैसे करना है. Basically 3 types. एंड बहुत सारे वेरिएशंस करेंगे. सो यू हैव द कमेंट बॉक्स, यू कैन टाइप योर डाउट्स. आज के मॉड्यूल का आई विल बी क्लियरिंग ऑल द डाउट्स फ्रॉम टुडेज मॉड्यूल व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग. सो यू कैन टाइप योर कमेंट्स, योर डाउट्स इन कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. Let's wait for 1 more minute and then we'll start. Okay. सो फर्स्ट लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू व्हाट ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़. पहले मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि हम लोग क्या क्या यूज़ करने वाले हैं एंड देन साइमल्टेनियसली वी विल स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ मेंडियंस. मेंडियंस इज़ बेसिकली अ डिस्क. ठीक है. मेंडियंस इज़ अ डिस्क ऑन विच यू कैन कीप इट प्लेन और यू कैन ऐड टॉपिंग्स ऑफ योर चॉइस ऑन द टॉप. ठीक है. मेंडियंस पे आप कोई भी टॉपिंग्स डाल सकते हो आपके चॉइस का. जेम्स हो गया. आई हैव फ्यू टॉपिंग्स हियर बट यू कैन ऐड मैनी मोर देन दिस. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टुडे इज, वी हैव choco chips, then these are candied fruit. Can anyone tell me what is this green colored dry fruit in this? So this is a candied fruit. Can you tell me what is this green colored fruit? Then we have Oreo. Here I have few Christmas decorations, star and bell, and then we have marshmallows with us. ठीक है. And then here I have our 3 basic chocolate. Okay, we are getting answers in comment section. It's not kiwi. That's why I asked you. Many people get confused as it is a kiwi, but it's not kiwi. Tell me what is it. Chalo. So we have here 4 chocolates with us. This is the milk chocolate, dark, white, and here I have added green color in white chocolate. But we are also going to do a flavor, so I'll be showing you how to add color and essence in a chocolate. Yeah, that's right. It is papaya. It is green papaya. It is not kiwi. Okay. And then we have few sprinkles with us, Christmas special sprinkles that we are going to use. Okay. So we'll start. Now first, let me show you the first way. Now the first thing, we are going to do it in mold. I hope you can see the mold and the video is clear. Okay. सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, वेरी इजी इन मोल्ड, इन एनी डिस्क मोल्ड. आप सबसे पहले कोई भी डिस्क मोल्ड में बना सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ आवर डिस्क मोल्ड. दिस इज़ अ प्लेन डिस्क. ठीक है. आप बिस्किट वाला जो मोल्ड मिलता है उसमें भी बना सकते हो. द ओरियो बिस्किट मोल्ड विच हैज़ डिज़ाइन, यू कैन मेक इन दैट ऑल्सो. ऑल राइट. सो फॉर दिस we will be using few toppings. Okay, so these 2 toppings I am going to use. So what we are going to first do is fill this mold completely till the top. First I'll show you the basic variation. पहले मैं आपको एकदम बेसिक दिखा रही हूँ. सो हम लोग मोल्ड को फिल करेंगे. लेट्स डू इट विथ मिल्क चॉकलेट. Normally the way you fill your mold, you are going to fill it that way. Whenever you are adding any external डेकोरेशन, जैसे हम लोग ये क्रिसमस का डेकोरेशंस यूज़ कर रहे हैं, डू नॉट फिल द मोल्ड कम्प्लीटली टिल द टॉप और एल्स योर चॉकलेट विल कम आउट. ठीक है, अगर आप इंग्रेडिएंट यूज़ कर रहे हो चॉकलेट बाहर नहीं आएगा. इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स, chocolate won't come out, but if you are using any external topping like this, your chocolate might come out. Okay, so do not fill it completely till the top. So I have filled it this much. We will tap this and allow this to semi dry. Now what is semi dry? If I put this inside this right now, what will happen is this chocolate will completely sink down. ठीक है, chocolate पूरा अंदर चला जाएगा. If I allow this to completely set, then I will have to stick this on the top. So you can either stick it on the top or else you will allow this to semi dry and then stick it on it. That is the way you can do. We'll move on to second variation. Till then we'll allow this to semi dry. Okay. Second we will be doing the marble one. So here I have a cake tester with me. You can use anything. You can use your spoon, your knife edge. So firstly, we will fill the mold. So here half I have added milk chocolate. To the second half I am adding white. Okay, first we'll tap it. Now what I am going to do is to give it a marble effect. Here I have green colored chocolate which I will put it inside this randomly. Let's take our cake tester. You can take anything as I told you. And I am just giving it a swirl. Okay, like this. Now on the top, let's add few sprinkles. So here I have a sprinkle balls. We'll add this. Do not completely fill the mold because otherwise your marble chocolate will hide. That's it, only this much. Okay, and now on this, see, it is staying on the top. If this was completely wet, the chocolate would have gone inside. अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा wet होता है अभी तो आपका chocolate अंदर चला जाता. But ये क्यों सूखा है? Since it is winters, the temperature is very good. इतना जल्दी ये dry हो गया. Alright, we will keep this in freeze to set for 15 to 20 minutes normally. Just give me a moment. So for the first variation we have used our mold. Now let's do without using our molds. So for without using our molds, the first way, this is the cookie cutter. ठीक है, I have here two. One is round one and one is this star. We are going to use both. So let's keep it here like this. And now here I have dark chocolate with me, which I am putting inside randomly. milk chocolate, again little bit of dark chocolate. Okay, and now to tap this, what we are going to do is tap our plate. Okay, the excess chocolate which has come out, you can always clean it after it's set. Now let's take choco chips. Okay, so we have added choco chips. Now for the next, let's use this one. You can use any side. If you want plain, you can use this side. If you want design, you can use this side. So I'll keep this side down, and now I'll take white chocolate. Okay, so I have added white chocolate inside. Again, tap this. Now let's add the dehydrated fruits. So I'll just take it. Okay, see. So this is our second variation. You can use tree cutter, Christmas tree cutter. If you have, you can give it a green color and use it, the Christmas tree cutter. You can use any Christmas cutters which you have. Okay, you can use that. So our first was with mold, our second was with cookie cutter. Now let's move forward. Now I'll show you without using any cutters, if you don't have any cutters or anything. So we are going to do in that way. So for that, what we are going to do is take spoonful. Do not take too much at a time. Okay. Do not tap the plate, only shake it so that you can make it even. Now on this, I add marshmallows. Okay, so this is with our marshmallow. Now next, let's use, this is the dust which we have. This is the red glitter and this is the sparkle. Okay, so we will make two. One we will make milk chocolate and another side will make white chocolate. Okay, so first I'll take white chocolate. Pour on one side. Okay, just taking. Now what we are going to do is take a brush, the red glitter we will put on white side, and this one will put on milk chocolate side. Okay. Now let's take few Christmas sprinkle. So here I have a candy cane sprinkle. So I'll take and just drop. Okay, like this. Now let's make the Oreo one. So now for Oreo, you can do it in two ways. Either you can add Oreo directly in white chocolate, the white chocolate which we have. Okay, so let me take white chocolate in another bowl. So here we have a bowl. Okay, so here we have white chocolate in this bowl. To this we'll crush Oreo. So here I have Oreo with me. So I have used crushed Oreo inside this. Let's mix it. Okay, now we'll take this. So we have added this in the base. To decorate it more, I am just using this Oreo chunks. Okay, and keeping it in the base. So we'll move on to the last variation. So for the last variation, I am teaching you how you can make a flavored Mendian. So let me take this here. So here we have white chocolate with us. Now here I have a rose gulkan flavor. ठीक है, rose gulkan flavor है मेरे पास. And here I have pink color. ठीक है. Let me tell you, we'll put 1 to 2 drops inside this. So let me tell you, हमारा कल जो क्रिसमस ऑफर था 500 रुपीज़ डिस्काउंट ऑन चॉकलेट ऑन ऑल वर्कशॉप इज एंडिंग टुमारो. द 500 डिस्काउंट ऑफर ऑन ऑल वर्कशॉप इज एंडिंग टुमारो. सो सारे जो रिकॉर्डेड वर्कशॉप्स है इट इज़ ऑन 500 रुपीज़ डिस्काउंट एंड इट हैज़ अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस. सो आपके पास लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस होगा वीडियो का. डाउट्स ऑब्वियसली यू कैन क्लियर. And we have a Christmas special live workshop, foundation course in chocolate making Christmas special on 13th and 14th. Okay, so you can join that to learn more Christmas variations. Now, so we have here our rose gulkan flavored chocolate. So we'll take this. Okay, to decorate it a little, since it is a rose gulkan, here I am putting few dried rose petals. And let me add little glitter so that it shines. See. So we have this with marshmallow. This I showed you in two ways. Then this is a rose gulkan. On the top we have added rose petals. This is the Oreo one. These two are with cookie cutters. Alright. So we will be keeping this in freeze for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be uploading the photos of the same in some time once it is set. If you have any doubts, just type in the comment section, or else we'll end the video, end today's session. Any questions or any doubts you have? Tag us if you make any of our live videos, recipes or variation. Do tag us. I would love to see your creations. I would love to see your creations. It will be saved. Yes, it will be available on our page, on our YouTube page as well. Once again, tomorrow is the last day for our 500 rupees Christmas discount offer. So if you want to join in any of our recorded session which has lifetime access and rupees 500 discount, you can DM us or WhatsApp us. Nice, thank you. Pricing depends on the size. So if it is a smaller size, you can price it for 20 rupees onwards. It depends on variation, it depends on size, everything. Yeah, I'll be saving it. Don't worry, those who have missed can see the session. More live sessions, so let me know for what variations or what you want to see more on our live videos. We'll try to bring more live videos in future. Give me a moment, let me see the maintenance which is in freeze is set or not. Let's try to demold this. See, this is how it looks from the back, and this is how it looks from the front. Okay. And then this is the star which we made, which we sticked. Thank you. On chocolate fillings, okay, we'll try to bring. Products you can use for essence, there are many brands which are good in market. So you can use Icon, you can use Bella. We have also 10% off on Bella flavors with our coupon code TTB. Okay, see you then. I'm ending the live session. For soft center and hard center chocolates, you can join our live sessions, you can join our workshops. It will be more clear and it has more depth explanation to it. Okay, bye. Thank you.